వీటి గురించి ఇప్పుడు తరగతిలో నేర్చుకున్నాం. పని అంటే ఏంటి? Just because of its position, every body has some energy. As an example, we discussed the case of this box. If the box is here, there is some energy in it. If the box is lifted up to this level, it has more energy in it. We have demonstrated. When we let it fall, it does sound, it hits her on the head. So it does work on her head. So the amount of work that this box does on her head is dependent on from what level we leave the box. If the box is here, it can do some work. If the box is at a higher level, we know it hits her hard. So the box being here has higher energy in it. The box being here has lesser energy in it. So we say this energy which the box possesses, this energy which the box has because of its position alone is called potential energy. At this level, it has a higher energy, higher potential energy. At this level, it has a lower potential energy. Now, to demonstrate these concepts, we'll do another small experiment. ఈ విషయాలు అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి మనం ఇంకో చిన్న ప్రయోగం చేద్దాం. What is this? This is a 100-gram stone. This is a 100-gram stone. 100 గ్రాముల రాయి, ఇనప రాయి కదా. Now what I will do is I will lift this stone up and drop it. ఏం జరిగింది? This stone makes a dent. It makes a dent into sand. Okay? Suppose I take it up to a higher level. So last time I dropped it from somewhere around this height, right? Now I'll drop it from a higher level, from this level. ఇందాక ఇంత ఎత్తు నుంచి డ్రాప్ చేసాం, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? ఎక్కువ ఎత్తు నుంచి డ్రాప్ చేస్తాం. ఏం జరుగుతుందో చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక ఇక్కడ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి డ్రాప్ చేస్తే